Hey, what's up? Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another episode of Curiosify. If you don't already know, my name is Nina, and every week I release a new video on Tuesdays. Today we are doing another review. If you guys tuned in last week, you saw that I did a review on Logic's humidity jars. I will link that video if you want to go check that out. This week we're doing another review. I've tried this product a handful of times now. It's CBD Living Immune Boost. What is this CBD Immune Boost? It is 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C powder with CBD can be added to beverages. So it is much like an emergency. It tastes exactly almost like an emergency. Only has one flavor, which is the citrus. So the powder has 30 servings per container. Each serving is 10 milligrams of broad spectrum CBD. If you don't know what broad spectrum is, I will link a video that goes a little bit more in depth. This product is $29.99. It is a little bit on the pricey side for what you're getting, because if you think of like a regular emergency is about 14-15 bucks, you're getting 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C in emergency, which this also has 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. But you're also getting CBD, but it is kind of low. It's only 10 milligrams per serving, which personally would like more, 25 to 40 milligrams per serving. So I only use this once in a while. I don't use it all the time. Maybe there's a cold coming on, or maybe I drank too much the night before, so my body needs like a little boost. This is a great way to get a little bit extra vitamin C and CBD into your system. The cool thing about this product is they use nanotechnology. It breaks the CBD down into nanoparticles, making the CBD highly bioavailable. Pros and cons. I'm gonna go through the pros first. Vegan and gluten-free, so pretty much anybody can use this. There's no sugar or THC, so you're not gonna get high. It can be used daily, but it doesn't have to be. And then, like I said, they use the nanotechnology, which that's really cool because it makes it really bioavailable. For the cons, it's low dose of CBD. So I really wish that they had maybe a different option. So if someone like me with a higher percentage of CBD per serving, I wish they had other flavors, since I'm not really the biggest citrus fan as far as like synthetic citrus. I really like natural citrus, but like this is not my favorite. Lastly, it is going to be really, it's quite pricey for what you're getting. Emergency is about $15 and you're getting the same amount of vitamin C, but obviously there is no CBD in emergency, so I wish there was more flavor options. I wish there were a higher amount of CBD, and it is a bit pricey. I recommend this product for really anybody that wants to give their immune system a boost. They want to add a little bit of CBD. It's a great starting product for somebody that has never tried CBD because it is very low. You can use it daily, once in a while. It's a great product for anybody. I personally use tinctures every single day, and this is something that I just use once in a while. Overall, I like this product. It is pricey and it is low in CBD, but I think it is a good product. I like the concept. So if you wanted to give this a try, I will link their website down below called CBD Living. This is the Immune Boost powder, so you can literally add this to any kind of drink or smoothie. Taste is much like emergency, so if you don't like emergency, kind of like chalky flavor, this could be very similar. So you can add orange juice or something. Let me know if you guys have tried this, or if you guys end up trying this out, or if there's any other CBD powder on the market that you've tried that you like. I would love to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Thanks.